Today, you are walking toward a meeting with your soulmate. This is not just a dream, it is a calling your soul remembers. In this meditation, accept my guidance and settle into a comfortable position because the time has come to remember what your soul already knows. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. In this moment, there is only you. Your heart is filled with love and peace. Beyond time and space, you are standing in the very center of the universe. Gather all your energy into your heart. Now, gently close your eyes. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, release every thought. Imagine yourself in a lush green meadow. The earth is warm, the grass is soft beneath your feet. Around you bloom countless flowers, purple, pink, blue, white. Each one whispers love and the energy of life. A soft breeze touches your hair, and you feel a gentle warmth radiating from your heart. In the distance, a silhouette appears. It's your soulmate. Your heartbeat quickens, not from fear, but from recognition. Step by step, you move closer to each other. With every step, the colors around you grow brighter, and beams of sunlight dance in the air. At last, you stand face to face. Time stands still. You look into each other's eyes, and in that moment, words are no longer needed. You reach out and touch each other's hands. That touch carries the energy of 1,000 lifetimes. All that came before and all that will come after exists right here, right now. A golden light begins to glow at the level of your heart chakra. It shines softly at first, then expands until it surrounds you both completely. Two hearts begin to beat in perfect rhythm. Two breaths merge into one. Like air and earth giving life together. Like the sacred union of fire and water. One cannot exist without the other. Each is the reflection of the other. They complete one another and exist in harmony. The energy of the universe flows through your hearts, binding you together. Time, space, and distance dissolve. Only pure love, unity, and wholeness remain. This moment is eternal. This bond is a remembrance from the deepest part of your soul. You embrace each other, and within that embrace, you feel the love of the entire universe. Now, simply rest in the heart of that light. This energy lives within you. Your connection with your soulmate exists beyond time. No matter where they are, love will always find you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, send this love out into the universe. You are filled with love, and your soulmate feels your love in return. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this energy with you, because this union will always live within your heart. If you felt this energy, if it touched your heart, write "I'm ready" in the comments. That intention will be your first message to the universe. Each time you listen to this meditation, you'll move one step closer to your soulmate. Don't forget to subscribe and share your love with the world.